sell all the colors and delicate fabrics in nature in a clean, safe, and familiar environment that appeals to the genetic memory of human female mammals. It took us zillions of generations to evolve into your beautiful animal, but it only takes a short drive to Dr. John.
Birthday, anniversary, new baby, or just because. Fine jewelry is an awesome gift to give. We have something unique in every price range, backed up with a free lifetime warranty. At Shane Company, we take every step to ensure that our jewelry is the highest quality, and we continually improve our styles, even the classics, like our diamond stud earrings. Ours are simply the best pair of studs in town. The diamonds are stunning, hand-selected for their beauty and hand-matched for consistency. We have studs in every price range, different metals, and 4 diamond shapes to choose from. The classic round shape, an oval shape, princess cut, and cushion cut. We even pay attention to the earring backs to make sure they're extra secure. Visit us.
Hi, I'm Dan Grover at 5 Star Auto Plaza, and fried pickles are great. But if your credit is fried, well, that's a pickle, and we can help. This week at 5 Star Auto Plaza, let us put you in a nicer newer car for just 5 cents down. Yep, if you have a job and a nickel, you can drive. Even if your credit is deep fried, even if it's trashed, even if it's extra crispy. 5 Stars Everyone Drives credit approval process means you can be approved in driving today. If you're in a pickle, we can help at 5 Star Auto Plaza. We'll pull you out of the frying pan and get you
New Graboid. Buy tickets online at scarefest.fearticket.com.
FreakyWorld.com. Welcome to AutoZone. What are you working on today? Thinking about gas mileage. A bottle of Gum Out Fuel Injector Cleaner can clean your entire system and help your engine get more MPGs. Right now, you can get 2 bottles for only $7. A great deal to help you go a good deal farther. Find Gum Out Fuel Injector Cleaner and everything you need for better fuel efficiency at any of our 6,200 stores. Restrictions apply.
That's the sound of a crack in the ceiling found at a home inspection. But with a realtor by your side, a newfound leak might only cause
Experience.
UMSL nursing students gain more know-how by engaging in both applied research and first-hand clinical experience in our state-of-the-art nursing simulation lab with our world-class faculty.
I feel like it's the dedication for me. Not a lot of people have that heart and that soul in teaching. Professors who are doctors are teaching, and they're making sure that the students are understanding.
Discover more connections at more.umsl.edu.
The training and the experience that I've gotten here, I don't think I would have gotten them anywhere else.
The University of Missouri St. Louis. Discover your more at more.umsl.edu.
Vikings are invading the St. Louis Renaissance Festival. Bring your barbarian horde and compete in the beard and tattoo competitions. 15 stages of exciting entertainment, including live armored jousting. Final 2 weekends now through October 23rd. SteelRenaissance.com.
95 presents Evil Woman, the American ELO at River City Casino May 6th. Listen this week from 10 to 2 to win a pair of tickets to Evil Woman, the American ELO. Tickets on sale now. You get your free ones this week. Find out more at KC95.com.
You won't hear this song again all weekend. The KC95
Neil Schoen says he loves Neil Schoen, really doesn't want to work with him again. I get it. Whether or not Steve Perry's voice is strong enough to be able to go out on tour and all that stuff, that's entirely up to him. Arnel Pineda, who's been now, it's been like maybe 15 years that he's been doing lead vocals for Journey, does an excellent job from the Philippines. They found him on YouTube. Neil Schoen was just looking at YouTube one night and saw him performing in a tribute band over in the Philippines. Somehow found his number and called him and said, "Hey, Arnel, this is Neil Schoen from Journey." And Arnel told him to F off and hung up on him like 3 or 4 times in a row. And finally he said, "Hey, no, it's really me." Got there, tried out. He's been with the band ever since. He does a really, really nice job. We're broadcasting live from the parking lot where KC Radio used to be. Got to start many years ago, which is right off Watson Road, right at the Schnooks and the Woodards parking lot. And in the background, you hear some great music being played by the Skylark Brothers. They're doing the Butts Band. Be With Me. How about that? Nice and deep. What a great track that is. And they'll be going until 8 o'clock tonight. So coming over, they still got some snacks going on, I think, maybe at Schnook. So we'll be here till about 8 o'clock. You can see they've going to put up that permanent plaque for Casey because...
speaker to play KC95. Real Rock Radio.